Hey family, welcome back to Everything's Major. For today's episode, we're making one of my favorite appetizers, Crab Rangoons, right in time for big back season. We're going to cook these wontons two ways. I'm giving you two options. We're going to bake them and fry them. So without further ado, let's make it major. All the information and ingredients are down in the description box. So sit back and relax while I do all the work and you enjoy the ride.
For where two or more are gathered in my name, there am I with them. Matthew 18:20. Everything's major. Everything's major.
First, in a small bowl, we're going to start with our 8 ounces of cream cheese. Chop a few green onions. Well, it's more than a few, but I just love me some green onions. The exact measurements will be down in the description box, so don't worry. Season to your likings with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning, some minced garlic, sesame oil, soy sauce, a splash of W sauce, and add in 8 ounces of crab meat. Add a pinch of sugar. I did a taste test and I want to add a little bit more cayenne seasoning. Make sure it's seasoned to your liking and mix all together. In a small bowl, add in a little bit of water. This is going to help us glue these wonton wrappers together. Add some water around the edges of your wrappers. Then add about 1 teaspoon of crab mixture in the middle. Then fold the corners together and pinch them closed. We're going to fold them into triangle shape. Make sure your wontons are closed and sealed because if not, your filling will come out of the wrapper when we try to fry them, and that's not what you want. So make sure it's tightly sealed. We're going to cook these wontons two ways, baked and fried. These wontons are nice and plump and sealed and ready to be cooked. Half are going into the grease and half are going in the oven. Pour some oil into your skillet. Get the oil hot to 350 degrees. Soon as your oil reaches temp, add in one at a time. Fry for a couple of minutes until golden brown. When they start to float to the surface, they are ready. Look at these nice, plump, golden, and brown. I paired these with some sweet and sour sauce. Now for our baked wontons, I spread my muffin pan with some cooking spray and added the wontons. I baked them on 400 for 7 to 10 minutes until golden brown. When done, dip them in your sweet and sour sauce and enjoy. Look how nice and plump and creamy these wontons are. These are going to be one of your favorite appetizers as well. Until the next time, family, be safe and be blessed. I will see you again real soon because it's always a treat when the majors meet. God bless you. Bye.
Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.